With this, you will get branded food ordering website and app for your customers, delivery agent app for the delivery guys who would be delivering your orders, dispatcher panel or the delivery management solution, and a robust admin panel to manage everything of your business. So in this video, I'll be showing you the demo of website, application and the admin panel. To check out how delivery management solution works, you can check out the video that is given in link in description and also in the suggested card section. So let's begin with the customer ordering website. So let's begin with the demo of customer ordering website. At the extreme left, you can see the logo of this brand. So if you buy this white label solution, you will get your own restaurant branded logo here. Besides the logo, you can see 3 different options of delivery, dine-in and takeaway. Below these options, you can see different food categories such as continental, Italian, beverages, salad, Chinese, etc. So if a customer wants to order for continental food, he can switch to the continental category, and likewise. Being a customer, if anyone wants to search for any particular product or item, he can do that from the search bar. Here you can see the language of the website. This is the currency, and from my account, a customer can manage his profile or search to the admin panel. So below the categories are the floating banners. These banners are managed by the admin from the admin panel. I'll show you that later on. Below that are the top picks. These food items are displayed again by the admin. Below that are the newly added products, the discounts, the offers, premium products. And at the bottom you can see quick links. So if a person wants to register as a vendor on this platform, he can do that from the vendor registration button. So if he clicks on vendor registration, so he will be taken to the vendor registration panel where he can upload his personal details, upload the logo and banner of his store and fill in all the attributes, and the request would be sent to the admin. So let me show you the ordering process. Suppose as a customer, if you want to order for lemonade, so you can see the add-on list. If you want to buy it half, full, without sugar, with extra sugar, you can add the quantity. You can see the product details, the description of the product, the ratings and reviews given by other customers. So if you want to order it now, you can click on add to cart. If you want to save it for later, you can add this to wish list. So let's click on add to cart. So you can see this product has moved to my cart. And let's move on to the cart section. From here you can select the delivery address, and here you can view the complete booking details such as the subtotal, taxation charges, the total amount payable. So as a customer now you get 2 options, whether you want to order it now or want to schedule it for later. So if you click on schedule, you can select the date and time for which you want the product to be delivered. So let's click on now and click on place order. Now you can select the payment options. Now you can see this only cash on delivery is available, but you can request the admin to enable different payment options such as credit card, debit card, PayPal, Paytm, Stripe, etc. That can be again managed from the admin panel. So let's select cash on delivery and place order. So you can see the order has been placed and the request had been sent to the admin in the admin panel. Now being an admin, you can either accept this order or reject this order. If you click on accept, so you can see the order status has been updated. The order acceptation notification has been sent to the customer. So you can see the payment as the order is successfully processed and the order is on the way. Let's move on to the profile section, where from the account info you can manage your profile details. From the address book you can add or update your addresses. From order section you can check your order history, your active orders, past orders, number of orders you have rejected or cancelled. You can see your wish list. You can keep a track of your loyalty points. You can manage your wallet. You can see the available balance. You can check out the transaction history. You can manage your subscription plans, like if you want to purchase any subscription plan as a customer. You can change the password of your account and simply log out from the website. So now let me take you to the admin panel of this restaurant management software. So let's start with the dashboard of this admin panel, where you can see the total number of pending orders, active orders, number of orders delivered, cancelled orders, total number of vendors that are serving under your restaurant name, total number of food categories that are being served on the website and the application, number of food products, number of banners and promotions being run on the platform, total brands, and total number of return requests initiated by the customers. Below that, you can see sales analytics, where you can keep a track of your revenue and sales on weekly, yearly, or monthly basis, so you can analyze how your business is performing. Coming below, you can see your revenue by location, so in what particular location you are getting the most number of orders from, and from the orders for top categories, you can keep a track of for what particular food items you are getting the highest number of orders from. So as a business owner, it's really important to have these tools, as you can keep a track of your business performance anytime. Now let's move on to the order section, where you can see the pending orders, active orders, and check out the entire order history. You can see now, being an admin, there are no pending orders. In the active orders, you can see the order I have placed as a customer from the customer ordering website, and you can see the current status that the order is accepted. So being an admin, you can update the order status, such as whether it is accepted, processing, out for delivery, delivered, and the same notification would be sent to the customer in both website and the application. I've already shown you for the website. I'll show you the same while demonstrating the application as well. Similarly, from the order section, you can keep a track of the entire order history, and you can view the order history for any particular time interval from here, or for any particular vendor that is registered under you. Now let's move on to the vendor section. So if you are offering multi-vendor services, so you can see the total number of vendors, how many of them are currently active, total number of products being served, and total active orders those vendors have. So you can see there is one active vendor that is serving with you. Awaiting in the upgrading approval, you will see a list of vendors who have filled the vendor registration form, but their approval is still pending from your end. And in the block section, you can block any vendor that is registered under your name and you don't want him to continue on the platform. Now let's move on to the accounting section, where being an admin, you can manage the account details for orders, loyalty cards, promo codes, taxes, vendors, and accept or reject the payout request generated by the vendors. So let's move on to the orders. So you can see the account details for the total number of orders, total orders you currently have, total cash that has to be collected, total delivery fees that has to be paid. So you can view this in detail for any selected time interval. Similarly, you can manage the accounting details for loyalty cards. So you can see the types of loyalty cards applied, total loyalty cards earned, total loyalty cards spent, number of unique orders, and likewise is the case for the promo codes, taxes, vendors, and payout request. So you can see you can easily manage the accounting details for these different categories, and you can also download these account details in different formats so that you can check it out later in time. So let's move on to the subscription section, where you can manage subscription plans separately for customers and vendors. So let's move on to the subscriptions for customers. So here you can see there are 4 different user subscription plans being run, that are platinum, gold, silver, bronze, etc. You can either edit these, or you can add a new subscription plan by clicking on the add plan button. Now you can upload the plan image, enter the title, set the plan frequency, price, description, and the features you will be providing. Similarly, you can add subscription plans for the vendors. Now let's move on to the customer section, where you can manage the data of all the customers that are registered either on the website or the application or the delivery agent application. So you can see these are the customers. You can view their email ID, phone number, their current wallet balance, number of orders, number of active orders. You can edit any existing customer profile as well. So if you want to upgrade this customer to a vendor, you can assign them different permissions, such as access to the dashboard, vendors, orders, promo codes, loyalty cards. So being an admin, you can assign different sub-admins who would be running this platform along with you. So Let's now come to the product review section, where you can view the product reviews given by different customers for different food items being offered on your platform. From the profile section, you can manage your general profile settings, like you can upload the logo, you can set the you can copy the shortcode that would link this panel to the dispatch panel. You can update the name, email, contact number, your address. From the customize section, you can manage the customization, such as you can choose between the light and dark theme for the platform. Any changes you will make here would reflect on both the website and the applications. You can change the date and time format. You can define and update the localization, like what is the primary language, currency. You can update the custom domain. You can interlink your social media accounts and set the nomenclature for this platform. From styling, you can update the styling for both website and application. Like from app styling, you can manage how the tab bar style would be displayed, what is the primary color, update the font style, select the home page style of the application. And similarly, in the web styling, you can update the home page style, upload fav icon, choose whether to display the age restriction pop-up or not, toggle between day and night modes, and you can select whether you want to show wishlist icon, ratings icon, card icon, etc. Let's move on to the CMS, where you can manage the entire content that would be displayed on this platform, like what content would be displayed in different pages, like what content would be displayed in the privacy policy page, the terms and conditions page, and the vendor registration page. What content would be sent in different emails that are either being sent to the vendors or the customers, and what content would be sent in different notifications to the customers and the vendors. Now let's come to the most important part that you need in the restaurant management software, that is catalog, where you can add or manage different product categories. Like you can see, these are the different product categories that were being displayed on the website. You can either edit these from here or add a new category by clicking on the add category button. Now you can upload the category name, icons, you can select the parent category if you want to add this as a subcategory, and you can fill in the all attributes as per your choice. You can add a variant like half, full, medium size to these categories, and also you can add a new brand to this platform by clicking on the add button, where you can upload the brand logo, banner, category. You can assign a category to that brand and upload the brand title. Coming to the configurations part, where you can manage the configuration, such as whether you want the particular vendor to serve in a particular area. So for that case, you can enable the hyperlocal option, and you can assign a default location from the Google Maps. Like you can select in which particular area would that vendor would be serving. Similarly, you can enable last mile delivery option by clicking on this enable button. Then the vendor would be linked to the dispatcher panel from here itself. And similarly, you can update the customer support for that vendor. Moving to the tax categories, where you can manage or add different tax categories like value added services, GST, etc. From payment options, you can enable how many payment options would be displayed to the customer. Like you can see here, currently cash on delivery is enabled. Similarly, you can add or enable PayPal, Stripe, Paystack, Payfast, etc. Also, you can integrate any new payment gateway as per your location. For that, just reach out to us from the link in description. Now let's come to the marketing section. Being an admin, you can manage different marketing tools such as banners, promo codes, and loyalty cards. So let's move on to the banners first. So banners serve as an additional source of revenue for the admin, as you can charge commission fees from the vendors or different restaurants that are listed on this platform for displaying their banners on the website and application. In return, you offer them higher visibility on the platform so that they can get higher number of orders and ultimately increase sales. So you can see these are the existing banners. You can edit either these by clicking on the edit action button, or you can add a new banner. You can upload the banner image, set the validity of the banner, and assign it to any category or vendor. Similarly, you can change the mobile banners as well. From the promo codes, you can add promo codes that would be displayed on the websites, And from the loyalty cards, you can keep a track of the loyalty points and manage different loyalty plans. So these are the existing loyalty plans. You can add a new loyalty card by clicking on the add loyalty card button, upload the image, set the loyalty card name, enter the minimum points required to reach this level, the earnings per order, and what order amount is required to earn one loyalty card point. The loyalty points again serve as a help you with the customer retention, as customers, whenever they place an order, they achieve certain loyalty points and they can use it later to redeem discounts and offers in the latter orders. So this is how the admin panel of this restaurant management solution works. Now let me quickly take you through the customer ordering applications and the delivery agent application. So let's begin with the customer ordering application. So you can see this is the home interface of this application, where you can see 3 different options similar to that on the website that are of delivery, dine-in and takeaway. Before that, let's move on to the account section and login. So here, if you are a first time user, you can create a new account or you can sign up using multiple options that you can for example, you can sign up using your Google account, your Facebook account, Twitter, Apple ID, etc. If you are an existing user, you simply have to click on login. So let me show you the sign up process as a first time user. So click on create new account. Here you can enter your details such as your name, now the app is asking the access to your location so that your delivery location can be fetched automatically. So you can see you have been logged into your account. Now you can manage your profile, such as upload your profile picture, update your basic information, reset the password, or add a delivery address. So let's move on back to the home section. So here you can see different food categories. Below that are the different brands. Under that you can explore different vendors or restaurants that are listed under you. Here are the featured products, the newly added products. Let's once again go through the ordering process in the application as well. Suppose if you want to order chow mein, so add this to your cart, select the order quantity, whether you want it half, full or with extra cheese. Let's click on to add to cart. So you can see the product has been successfully added to the cart. In the cart section you can add the delivery address. You can see the booking dates, such as what is the total order amount. Now you can select payment options. Now you can either schedule this order for later, or you can instantly order it by clicking on place order. Before that, you will have to add your delivery address. So you can select this option so that your location is fetched automatically. Now you can enter the complete address details. Save it as homework or others. So address has been added successfully, and now simply click on place order. So you can see the order has been placed successfully and the booking request would be sent to the admin in the admin panel. So let me quickly take you to the admin panel once again. So moving to the order section, you can see this order is being displayed in the pending order section. So let's click on the accept. So now it has moved from the pending orders to the active order section. And you can see the notification has been sent that the order has been confirmed by the admin. Now you can update the live status of the order. Like you can see the current status is accepted and the order is under process. Now you can change the order to processing, and the same notification is displayed on the customer ordering application. When the order is ready, you can select out for delivery, and the similar notification will be sent to the customer. And when the order is delivered, the notification would be again sent to the customer ordering application. And similarly, you can track your order side by side, like what is the tracking status, the delivery information, like you can see the customer details, what is the payment information. So being a customer, you can manage all the orders easily. And moving to the account section, you can manage your orders. You can see your active orders and your past orders. You can purchase subscription plans as a customer. You can keep a track of your loyalty points, like how many loyalty points you have earned and how many of them you have spent. You can manage your wallet, and you can add money to your wallet by clicking on the add money button. And you can also view your transaction history as well. You can view a wish list, and you can manage your settings, such as set the appearance of the application, whether you want the light theme or the dark theme. You can set the currency and language of the application, and that's it. That is how the customer ordering application works. Now let me also quickly take you through the delivery agent application as well. So now let me take you to the delivery agent application of this restaurant management solution. So here you can either log in or sign up using multiple login sign up options. So to sign up as a delivery agent for the first time, you will have to upload your personal details such as your full name, your phone number. You can select a team you want to join, or you can enter the tags, your transportation mode, and what is the employee type, your employment mode you want to choose, whether you want to join as a full-time employee or freelancer, your vehicle registration details, your plate number, and click on sign up. As I already have an account, so I'll simply enter my phone number and click on login. So I'm logging as a delivery agent. So an OTP would be sent to the entered number, and once verifying the OTP, you would be logged into the application. So this application is asking the access to the location. You can allow it. So from here, this toggle button, you can mark your availability, like whether you are available at a particular time or not. So you can view today's tasks. Currently there are no tasks assigned, and you can check the entire task history in the all tasks section. So here you can view all the previous tasks, so you can view them in detail. So these are the complete booking details you have got for a particular task that is assigned to you from the admin from the dispatcher panel. So you can navigate to the location, view the order details, like what order you are delivering, what is the total order amount, the payment mode, etc. And you can click on hold to start. And when we will arrive to the customer's location, you will click on hold to arrive, so that the customer would be notified that you have arrived at his location. So you can view the task history from the task history section, like keep a track of your total earnings, and you can view this task history for any particular time interval as well. Similarly, you can manage your profile. You can update your profile anytime. You can customize the settings, like change the language of the app. You can contact the admin from the contact button. Similarly, you can chat with the admin or the customer from the chat support section. And lastly, log out from the application. So this is how the delivery agent application works. So this is how the entire restaurant management software works. So if you too are planning to launch your own restaurant app or want to take your food delivery business online, so get this white label restaurant management software now. For any further details, feel free to reach out to us through the link in description. Thank you.